Hello everybody and welcome back to the next episode of our house renovation project. Today perfect weather to play a little bit with my excavator again. So the brick laying job is more or less done. Today we will take care of some preparations for the next part of the floor slab in, I would say, a really narrow area, even for my mini excavator. But I would say I will not explain so much and would say have fun and enjoy the video. Okay, since the last videos I definitely have enough of brick laying for the moment, so it's time to play a little bit with my mini excavator again. So this is the next working package, you can see it here. In this area we want to build the next part of the floor slab, and this means I have to excavate the earth out of this area, then lay some gravel and all the other stuff. But first I need to get the mini excavator down here. So this is a step from the actual existing floor slab down approximately 30 centimeters, and with this mini excavator you definitely have to be careful that it will not fall over. And then once in place, it's simply again a pleasure to work with such small machines in such narrow places. It's working fine, but maybe you can take a short look on my dumper. At the moment it is more or less clean, but every time it comes back it gets more dirty, and this is on the outside. It is raining the whole day, everything is really slippy, and there's really much mud and dirt and whatever, and every time I'm driving from the house to the backyard to leave the dirt on the outside, it is get dirtier and dirtier, and I also spread all the dirt over my property. Did you recognize the transition of my mini dumper from a dumper to a mud machine? So here I can show you how it looks on the outside. So everything is wet, and also my track dumper is nothing more than a mud dumper. Thankfully this is only some mud, so you can clean it up really easy with simply some water water, yeah, so no issue at all, yeah. So machine is also working fine, yeah, even under this conditions. But here you can see why it is so dirty, yeah. So I have here my big hill out of mud. Everything what you just saw is what I excavated out of the house in the last months. And also the way I have to drive with the track dumper from the house over the property completely, and yeah, this is also then you spread all the dirt over the whole property. This is a little bit unfortunate because this means you definitely have to take some time for cleaning up everything, because having all the dirt around is not so nice. You will spread it even more, and then it's much better to clean it up directly after your work, and this is what I will now do here. Okay, now it's time to get rid of the supports here from the wall. So they are reaching to the inside, and this, so then I have no possibility to excavate there in that area, and we also want to build the floor slabs there. So now I need to close the last gaps between the new wall, the new lower part of the wall to the old upper part with some swelling mortar. This is some special mortar which you can see it. Yeah, you need to get it somehow in this small gap, and then it swells a little bit, and then you have a closed connection between two walls, and this is working really fine. I use this quite a lot in the past, and also I can use it here. And if this is then hardened out, I can remove the supports. But yeah, first I need to get it into all the small gaps. You can see here is an old piece of wood, which also should support something, but now I have some struggle to get it out. And then the next steps would be to take care of the outer shell, which I do now here. And after that, I also need to take care of the inner shell. There's also some gaps still remaining. And yeah, after that, I can remove the supports and rebuild the corner. So as you may remember, there's also something missing, some bricks. I can rebuild it, and then we are more or less finished here with this part of the house. Yeah, as you can see, the corner is a little bit of special construction to get both shells, the inner and the outer shell, into one construction with the stones, yeah, so with the bricks. It was not so easy if you do not do this all the day, yeah. But at the end, everything worked fine, and then we have a new corner here rebuilt completely from the scratch. And here we have the last bigger gap on the inside shell, and if we then now closing this with some bricks again, we are totally fine and ready with both, yeah, inner and outer shell, and then hopefully we can continue with the next working package. Okay, as you can see now, we are more or less finished here in this area. The wall is stable again, yeah, everything is now connected, yes, the lower and the upper part of the wall, and I'm really satisfied with the result, yeah. So now we can continue more or less with the inner side. So now supports are gone, and this means we have more space on the inner side to remove the last part of the earth, put on some gravel again, and create the next part of the floor slab. But this you will see in the next video. So thanks for watching, everybody. Please leave a comment or maybe a like if you want to support my channel a little bit here. And yeah, then I would say we'll see us again in the next video. Bye bye, everybody.